In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively manage and free up space across Google services like Gmail, Google Drive, and Google Photos. Whether you're trying to make more room for new memories or just keep your digital life tidy, these steps will guide you through a simple yet thorough process. Let's start by checking your current storage usage. You can do this by visiting one.google.com/storage. This page provides a clear breakdown of how much storage you're using across Gmail, Google Drive, and Google Photos. It gives you an overview that helps identify where you might need to pare down. Next, let's tackle those large emails that might be clogging up your Gmail. Open up Gmail and direct your attention to the search bar. You want to type in has attachment larger 10M. This search command will pull up all emails that contain attachments bigger than 10 megabytes. Browse through these emails and select the ones you don't need anymore. Hit delete and remember to navigate to the trash and click on empty trash now to truly free up the space they were occupying. Now let's focus on removing old emails that you no longer require. It's surprisingly simple. In Gmail's search bar, type before 2023-01-01 to filter out emails sent before January 1st, 2023. Skim through the list and delete any messages that are no longer relevant or necessary. Again, don't forget to head over to the trash and empty it to ensure these emails are completely removed from your storage. Moving on to Google Drive, we'll be concentrating on large and redundant files that might be lurking there. Open Google Drive and locate the storage section on the left-hand side. This view allows you to sort files by their size, making it straightforward to spot those heavy files that you seldom use. Go ahead and delete any files that you deem unnecessary. Finally, just like with Gmail, visit your Drive trash and empty it to reclaim that precious storage space. If Google Photos is part of your digital life, you might want to consider clearing out some space there too. Open Google Photos and review your collection of pictures and videos. Delete any that aren't essential and then empty the trash to make sure these items are fully removed from your account. Additionally, Google Photos offers a storage saver option that can help compress files, which might be an alternative route for those who prefer not to delete items but still wish to conserve storage. Lastly, a handy tool from Google One can be of assistance: the Storage Manager. It's designed to help review and manage your storage effectively across Google services, providing tips and an intuitive interface to streamline the process. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll have your Google storage looking neat and organized in no time, ready to welcome new content without any worries of running out of space.